Greetings to everybody. And I know by me chia obia ohwe mi anopai me chia mu nyina Ghana adentina yetrimu yedinsa adentina yedi udisemsa aden mama onye obi ba baby so papa no onye obi ba aden na ye Ghana fo ye di politics echi na semu a ni kwan se ye nka ye ka why my former president Mahama, is he not a human being? Onye nipa and no be an hour no so. So who try to hunam sisiano moja and a baby free ni hunum. Enye nsio kana for moja is I would this someone more dino Munjai enye is too much for the man. Why are we Ghanaians? Why are we like that? Say nipa enyi ana nipa ewu. Say nipa upe obi na akunu. Accusation amu ye edi against and amuye dia to papa no so accusation amuye edit to allegation amuye edit to former president Mahama Susisi ano ade mo pese mo ku papa na mo pese mo ku papa no ono so otise nipa nipa oye nipa moja and muja and namonusum on me frama or no monsieur or did it to send the padasini or ye ni baby to send the padasini and say bibi kosu the we are bibi kosu higher no sana or no so bibi kosu ebe ha no so say obi twan throw their tools say na yano sa and ebe ye papa no so ya. So obi etwan to their tools say na ebe dani adwindwin ama wono sa na papa no so de mu keka fa ekeka to papa no so nyina no ebe dani adwindwin e da to papa no so nipa ewu bio bible busu ka say bibia woni mre isankafo mu no bible also kai say bibia ewoni mre. There is time for everything. Time to born and time to die. There is time for everything. Time to sow and time to reap. There is time for everything as long as we are human beings. As long as we are created by the Creator or created by God, and He has already said it in His word, and His word does not lie. His words are forever lasting. Nyankopon semen chonro. Nyankopon semen say there is time for everything. There is emre ewo homa bibia. Emre etwase nipa enwo enwu. There is time for everything. Time to sow, time to reap, time to born and time to die. And today I didn't know motiti papa no sa. I didn't know motiti president Mahama, former president Mahama sa. So onu and oku antames onu and oku His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings, may he so rest in perfect peace this morning. Onu na oku misata aden. Evidence be and a more I chess on now, papa no. Missy ono so any party say yao. As sena obi be twan draw and obi be can be beer to so say you na why ye a be hawo mo se na e hawo no saa na de mu kan gu papa no so na be ha no adenti na mu ye wudifo kana fo mu ye wudifo saa adenti na mu ye wudini ni wudifo saa adenti because some time ago Jerry John Rawlings me bold there man bold for calling sick say ya na kana fo na Jerry John Rawlings onye na okunipa na ewudini na oyese ya nyina both MPP and NDC mu nyina any other parties na mu nyina mu kan bi fa papa no se papa no nye na de mu ye ni nyina no mo refi se mo kika de ni mani de enya se mu kan mo akeka nto papa no so ni nyina na otie ni nyina na odwun ni nyina so adwendwen ekunipa adwen mu Ghana fo mo na mo ato pressure ma Jerry John Rawlings a o de wusisi a mo nje asem a mo de tu Mahama so no ye adenti na Ghana fo mo ye wudi force a say ya na esha sefri former president Mills so ena o ye atamochiri man ena mo ye a even ebebo nyunkura hye no say ekomeni mo can asem a things that the man did not deserve, or things that are not deserved, or things that we're not supposed to say about Mills. Ye can then assemble and come for a panel. We should disgrace the man. We should do things. What I thought that we Ghanaians or Ghanaians does not do to buy a pressure for a former President Mills. How do we? And so say me so be jina ona catch him say mu Ghanaians Ghana for mu no mu kumansa mu agedi. Because pressure the mu yin pressure na mu to ma microphone mu. You are buying pressure for them. Now pressure on so betumi di name bebre aba betumi mo wu betumi mo ma wanya yare bebre betumi mo wanya stroke. Ebi e na mo di ye mas na mas ni ye de wu ye. O wu ye no mo di ahye Mahama. Adienti because of all in the name of politics. All in the name of politics. Adienti na ye wu di for my we musa. Adienti na ye trimo di for my we musa. Enti nipa enwu bio. Nipa enwu bio. Maybe so nipa enyi e wo man we mu bio. And the black mentality I have. Say when a person is living in a society and even have a bit issue or an issue with a fellow or a friend, before the person passed away means that his or her friend that has killed the person. At the end, why are we blacks? Why are we like that? Especially Ghanaians. Why are we so wicked? We always buy pressure. Why are we so wicked? We always buy pressure for our colleagues. We always buy pressure for our friends. We always buy pressure for our co-workers. Why are we so wicked? I am asking this morning. It's all in the name of politics. Even before His Excellency, former President Jerry John Rawlings, may he so rest in perfect peace. Before Onuni Wu Pukrano, you guys started the Ghanaians, some of them, and even some of the fake prophets, fake pastors. They begin making allegation against the man that Professor Nana Jane should be very careful. He will be the next person that Mahama will kill. All in the name of politics, all in the name of power. Ade onu biba. Enye moja na woni mu. Onu so ti bibia enye ni ya na. Ade onu oye dua, ana oye buo, ana oye dadi. O ti bibia efa no wan enye no kra enye ni ya, ana enha no, ana won dwen fa wo. Me ka akire mu Ghanafo enne say Mwana mukunkrofo we are moving now from Mills to Misata to friends former President Jerry John Rawlings. Mukana for mu and a mukun papa. Muna mukum. Namun giant fancy. Mahama. Mahama uncle biao. me san kan sisu say ma onko obi o ye Ghana for ya na ato pressure masa microphone on mundu ya because ye nyina ya nim even say ye anti bi mpokra at least ye wo peni for ye fie ye dey binu akọ hospital pain. And when you reach the hospital, the doctor will tell you, even the first, after checking the BP, they will ask a lot of questions about his health, about his well-being. And after that, after taking the benefit, they saw that your BP rise up to a certain level, they will begin to advise you not to think too much, not to be worried, what is wrong with you. They will be asking all those questions just to calm down your pressure. Because the doctors knew very well that pressure kills. Pressure causes a lot of sicknesses to a human being. So anytime they check your temperature and they see that your pressure have rise up to a certain level, they tried to psychologically bring your pressure down by talking to you, advising you, trying to make you laugh or feel happy to reduce the pressure, because they knew very well that pressure kills. Did you know you can find growth from Mercy eba Misata so eba Jerry John Rollins one come from and I say and I say no, it's enough. Mahama unku bi o Ghana for mo jais out this seminar mo di. And the one person who papa no so. Aden all in the name of politics inti. Aden na mo papa no pressure sa. Mo ma jais out crisis ceremony Jimmy seminar e ti o man mo ayedi. Muma ye jai sa Jimmy say ya Jimmy son Jimmy say ya muma ye jai Jimmy semu krasi semu na ye di so obi wu a obi na akum evidence ben amuwo I say former president Mahama na eku Jerry John Rollins evidence ben amuwo Ghana for mu ben awo evidence abetu dey kire say Mahama na okum mas Mahama na okum Misata Mahama na okum Jerry John Rollins. Evidence ben amuwo. Which evidence does people have? Which you cannot bring it out for Ghanaians to see. Just by saying yes, just by talking sick, just because of a politics, a power sake. You have to say unnecessary things about the man. You have to say every stupid thing, every nonsense, every stupid thing that does not make sense. Every sexual waste should be coming after your mouth against the man. Why are you people buying pressure for the man? Why? Why? Professor Mes Wenyi, ni age now aden. Although I'm not saying say but at least age now no. So who cry? And can I say obi na okunu? Former President Jerry John Rollins. Age na 73 years. I feel no say na koponi mai. Enti ono nya 73 years. I'm not saying say it's enough say it's offers as well. No. Me nyanka kura anka will live more than even 100 years. But who am I? One me nya kopon. One obet me ak di nisan to the sinibusu say. Wonu bet me amma obi kwa. Obi entumi makwa. Nobody can give lives. Nobody can gives life except God. Only God. Enti eradi ne onim obi ani ni mre. Enti se wo mre no so na ofre wa. I don't think say we should, because in the name of politics we should be accusing somebody. It's out of sense. It's total madness. It's completely stupidity. Kana for mama ye dream. Let's think about better things. Papa J na who knows who na a friend and the friend. Adentina mu accuse you Bahama. Adentina mu accuse you be say or no and akun sam perform. Why are we so wicked? We should go into our various families and check if we don't have a person, if a elderly person or an old person that has passed away in our family. We have. And we also have a young ones that have passed away, our beloved young ones that have passed away in our family. But nobody's complaining and said it's somebody who killed. Yet on my way, and I'm Ghana for being more deal, but nobody is able to mention them. Timmy, so we a minister of health, and now who the baby, in case you have a position and you have been assigned of a duty to perform, and if you are not able to perform it, and in the process of that, someone has lost his or her life, you are also a murderer. You are also a killer. You are even a vampire. You are even far beyond a name that you guys are calling Muhammad. Because when you are assigned, for example, a ministry of health, Yama osika se koya adebi machine bi ese okolebu omu gas say oxygen system na say Yama osika se koya na yesi you say unless they buy complete machine before the whole building or the whole that particular department can function well. Because your greediness, Opa, you came back and told Ghanaians that, or you came back and make an estimate which are quite a lot of money, which is a huge amount of money. Say unless they change the machine completely before that facility can work properly. But someone, the same doctor or a similar doctor, a similar doctor also came, called an engineer to come and check the machine, and he said the engineer told him that the machine does not spoil, they just need something small to change in the machine and the machine can work properly. Something that does not even, an amount does not even reach 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. But you came out, proposed about almost $1 billion or $1 million to repair that machine. Are you not a killer? Are you not a murderer than a former President Mahama? Yanko ha. Yanko. Maybe I born who you asat now. Maybe portals na one quiet na maybe portals no was siago. Yanko. Say you wo abanya obesin anaba ye wabanya oti akonyum sisia. Ye wo penefo a omuti akonyum sisia. Minister, road minister. Amwakwata. Uwo. Musi mwenye kwani nyina yenko bebia ebo na nya accident no sa kwa no so yenhwe se asad na ono nkrofo enwu day by day day by day in those road or in that road because of a common potholes. Enti se mu nyina muti ho Minister of Road na de bia na sa kwa no so be bia ebony a precious daughter of somebody has passed away because of a potholes, because of a road, because of improper road. Now I have somebody's daughter has lost her life painfully. Are you not a murderer? Are you not a killer? For you, don't you kill somebody? Or you think the person should be a president to pass away, or a vice president to pass away before you knew that is somebody who has killed the person? It's out of sense. is stupidity. Eye kosa sem na jimi sem na ye di oman we mu. Yeti ha from Achimota, from Ofankobalia, Achimota to Sekeda Road. From Achimota, from Mutaifa to Achimota, traffic light, anyone. Cars be SSC honuma. Na ni cars driver ni nyonko ba on se cars ho na odi abebom na nipa apimpim ewu. So you, the minister, you in charge of that in government, or are you not a killer? Are you not a murderer? Are you not even a vampire than Mahama? I didn't know it, sir. I'm telling you Ghanaians, we Ghanaians something that see say o kasa okodiko konsafa obiun na nipa no etie e na odwea na o se wewu a, you are also a killer, you are a murderer even than Mahama. Se wo ko kasa bi to obi so no machinetum na wakoda fiasi for so many years. No we wua, no we wua, man, no ba no be wua, no once in life we I say no be no one come for no we wua. You, that person, you are also a murderer, you are also a killer. So you don't have you don't have the gas, you don't even need to open your mouth and make a comment that is a former president Mahama who has killed Jerry John Rawlings and Atames. You are very stupid to say that. You are very selfish to say that. Because of your political power, you have to accuse your fellow wrongly. You are very stupid to make those comments. Very, very stupid to make those comments. Muma yenjai sa kwasi semni wudi semna yeti o mawe muni ayedi. Muma yenjai. Because emphatize is all mine, emphatize. So mine are open, which always think about moving forward or progressment. That things like this, we don't deserve to be making a comment like this. This kind of silly comments, this kind of stupid comments. We must to stop. You must to put stop on this by accusing someone by accusing someone's death. We have to stop it. It's absolutely stupidity and ignorance. It's a sign of ignorance and it's a sign of stupidity. So now you are also a murderer as a Ghanaian. You are also a murderer. You are even a wicked person. So that will be. Now you are also a killer. You are also a murderer than Mahama, former President Mahama. So we took a bread or this car bread or can my say, oh, and I'll take one or sign this can will say, use the money to do a property or to build for me, and you spend the money wrongly. And when the person heard it or the person come down and saw it that you spent his or her money wrongly, and it become a pressure for him, and he or she has passed away, you are also a murderer even than a former President Mahama. Ghana for mumayen shi adie. Na yen jai sa kosia sem na yedi. Sa jimi sem na ye kikan. Sa jimi sem na ye kikan ye mumayen jai. Say President Mahama, the man does not kill anybody. Until the business said, Ma will be a woo, Ma will be a yin, and I will be a whoopio. This will be what will be now. I didn't know black kind of black mechanic, that black mentality. We cannot take it away from our mind. Why can't we wash those kind of dirty brains that we have out from our mindset? I didn't. Why do we have to reason? Why do we refuse to think and always be thinking about unnecessary things? Always be allowing stupid things to be coming out from our mouth against our fellow, against our friends, or in the name of politics, or in the name of a favor. Why are we so wicked? Kind of just Messi say okita sika okita tu siripo na wo nua ebsero se mesero mami wan se de me fanto duane di na me fanto nsuo no na wan ma no na because of that no okowu ya wo ya meta. You are also a killer. Also you wudini wo kro you wudini si former president Mahama. I am telling you the truth. The truth must be told, and it's time for the truth. Muma yenjai sa kosa sem na ye didi oh my way mu. Muma yenjai. It's enough for the man. The pressure is too much for the man. The pressure is too much for a former President Mahama. It's too much for him. Ghanaians, why are we so wicked? Why are we so stupid to be making a silly comment against our fellow, which also have a blood in him, which also drink and eat as us, which also breathe like us? Why are we so wicked? Why are we so stupid? You are even murderer than him. Anybody who made that silly comment is also a murderer. You want to kill former President Mahama, you want to kill him too, as you did to the former presidents. Why are you people buying pressure for the man? All in the name of politics. Also, Wabusian, President Mahama, or no so Wabusian, or one Miano, or Ma, or Yiri, or Wadam. Yeah. But also what I'm for says, yeah, and I'm make it start so those silly comments, those stupid comments. Say now who about how I was for Zan or who are woman who top pressure manner, no who are about how no son was for, about how no son in ma, and not the Mokikan can know how no son in money, ni Nadam for any fear for how. Why are we Ghanaians? Why are we so stupid? Why are we so wicked to make it a silly comment against our fellow, against our friends? Yes, so then consider what I could transfer them. Also, you would didn't. So, unia, obia obia yamwa. No one to me on Buano. Not and no Musa one so. I walk who also you would didn't. If you woo, say we woo. But call you also you would didn't. You are a murder. You are even murder than Mahama, as you are saying that he murder. He is not a murder. Mubona mu ye wudi fo nam na mo my way mu sika ese omo dia mo se mo fan nye property ma o man no mu wudi sika ese mo fan top even niam ehia hospital ema yare fo hu to mo nso amanfo mu Ghana fo mu disaska no bele fo bi mu disaska no ema nkrofo bebre ewu de bia nipa pimpim ewu day by day every single day. You people are not a murderers. You people are not a killers. It's only former President Mahama is a killer. Me say we are vampires. Jimmy. You we would for na monti o ma we mu. Mu di o man wu. Na mo san di o man o mamofo bi nso. Ade na mo ye would for sir. Why are you people so wicked? Ade, why are we so wicked in this country? By making a silly comment, by accusing our fellows wrongly. Why? We must put stop on this kind of stupidity, this kind of ignorance, this kind of act of senseless comment you guys have been making against our fellows or about our fellows. President Mahama, say more sika. Say they give you money. The government give you money. You government appointees. Any of the government appointees that have received a money, have received a contract or received a money to go to northern region, to go to places where they don't have a potable water to drink. They are drinking the same pond with animals, the same pond with the same water with cows and a goat and other animals. And malaria, who sa nipa no who ni sa nipa na who in charge of that work no so who so you wudi ni who you wudi for na mo te wora mo na mo accuse former president Mahama so you wudi ni he kills Mercy, he kills Professor Mercy, he kills Bisata, and he kills Papa J. Mo bon na mo ye wudi for mo bon na mo ye Jimmy for mo make sa comment na mo ye Jimmy for mo ye Jimmy for me say mo Jimmy mo ni nyansan say de bia mo to pressure ma penifo de bia mo to pressure ma penifo mo wa na mo di she obi aden na mo yes ade no aden say de bia mo to pressure ma nipa no mo sorry na mo accuse obi say onu bon na wa ko nipa me say mo na mo ye wudifo mo make comments silly comments say president Mahama na okun the former president na the leaders na o mo amuka sase mo nyina mo na mo ye wudifo me say mo Jimmy mo ye wudifo obi a wo make sa comment nyina wo Jimmy oni nyansa adwin bi ani ni trimu you don't nyansa bi ani coconut we kube ti a wo kita no nyansa bi ani we Jimmy with Jimmy depending obi a make sa silly comment bi asem president Mahama former president Mahama na eku Papa J any Atames no with Jimmy me say with Jimmy oni nyansa the person is stupid oya bua ka me friend nantwie oya bua obi a make sa comment bi say oya bua ka me friend nantwie ade na mo Jimmy sa they be person to pressure ma 24 they be because age na nkrofo no nemu na mo ye dia mo ye amu accuse you you are buying pressure for them you want to kill them amu sumu bo so amu say accuse mo so mo ye wodi for ana omo di wo no okun ni nuanom abra mo bo amu to pressure ma nkrofo no mo atena mo baby because sia for Jimmy for me say obi biara o make say comment no me I'm against it the people with Jimmy mo just comment no mo jai sa comment no man na yetim no mo jai sa kwasisem na ye di wo man we mu mo man jai aden